Well, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and with Valentine's Day comes love, right? It's all about love. It's a beautiful thing, really. Yes, it was kind of invented by the card companies around something that had very little to do with love, but hey, you know, that's what everybody's talking about. And the idea of being someone who loves what they do and who they do it for is a strange idea for a lot of people. My friend Mark Farrell with the Marbecca method, and if you haven't taken the Marbecca method workshops or looked into them or haven't looked into markfarrell.com, you are insane. Check it out. The man will change your life. Be a part of his workshops. Do it as soon as you can. By the way, I'm Bill Herman. This is the Creative License Podcast, sponsored, of course, by Electro Voice, the greatest speakers and sound equipment in the world, and entertainment experience workshops and seminars at entertainment-experience.com, and seemingly today, markfarrell.com and the Marbecca, the Marbecca method workshops. So anyway, one of the things that Mark talks about a lot, and I certainly do as well, but I think that Mark really brought this to the forefront of the DJ world as a conversation of real serious change, is really loving the people you're working for. Really, really loving the people you're working for. Doing it for them. I think I talked about this in the podcast not very long ago about doing for them and not for you. Your life is not about you, it's really about them. Well, this is another extension of that, and much closer. How much do you love your clients? How much do you truly love what you do and why you do it? Who do you love? Why do you love them? And do you do this for those reasons? I mean, this can change everything. Literally. I mean, and here's the best example in the short amount of time that I have in this podcast. This is the best example. You have a brother or a sister or a mom, and they hire you tomorrow to do their event, to do their wedding. And they want this amazing thing to happen. They want these amazing feelings. They want people saying amazing things. So now they've hired you, and even if you do it for free, because they've hired you, what are you willing to do for that person? That person you love, your daughter, your sister, your mom, your brother, you love them. So now, this is the service you provide, but this is for them. What would you do for them? I mean, how far would you go for them? How much talent would you bring? How many things would you do? How much care and love would you bring to the table? Okay, so you have a small idea of what that is now. Now, can you take that same amount and give it to a client? Someone who's hired you, someone you've met at a sales meeting. You can't? Why not? How much do you need to get to know them? How much do you need to like them and love them to be able to bring that same feeling forward? That same I will do anything for you to make you happy thing happening. What do you got to do? And how easy is it for you to love those people? I mean, love. Not I love you because I like you so much that I love you. No, love. Okay? Some people are very easy with love. Other people have a more difficult time. Well, you should reach inside. Find that vulnerable piece about yourself and be lovable. Love those people and see how it can change things. And if you want to know more about how you can take that and be it a part of your life in your business, I swear you should talk to my friend Mark Farrell at Marbecca Method. Go to markfarrell.com. Call me if you can't find him. I will connect you myself. You can certainly do my workshop, but Mark's going to kill it, I swear. And thanks again for being a part of this. I'm Bill Herman. This is the Creative License, and I'll see you next Thursday. Happy Valentine's.